Hey guys, this is Megan with Thousand Generation Farms. Today, it's cold out, so we're doing a DIY. Sorry to all you Tract fans. Still love for you to stick around and watch. We only do these once in a while, but so I hope you, and we're gonna use some tools, so maybe that will interest you. Anyways, won't you come farming with us? So back like maybe 2 months ago, I DIY'd a shelf. I bought one off of like Facebook Marketplace, and it was like a teal blue. I wanted it for my dining room. I was gonna paint it black. I painted it black already. And it had some glass shelves in it, which if you have kids, had kids, you know that glass is kind of like iffy to have around. So I decided I wanted to have like wood shelving, but I wanted it to look really like rustic or just like kind of unfinished. So probably a little while after my shelf was painted, Joseph cut me some slabs of wood. I've just been using them. They are unfinished basically, and I love it. It looks great, and I will show you soon. But what I'm going to do today is drill some holes in the back of the shelf for some stereo and speaker cords. So basically what I'm gonna do first, I turn this is where my stereo is. So I was thinking, like anywhere in this area, but maybe I should draw a line here, kind of where I want it. I'm thinking that kind of all the cords come from over here. So maybe if I tried to do it, to drill the holes more over there, then they're gonna come all the way down here, and the speakers are kind of, there's two of them, they're centered. So I could either just do a big hole right in the middle and then separate them when I get inside the cupboard, or I could do separate ones. I think I might just do one hole if I can get it big enough. So we'll start with that. Okay, so first I'm going to, so just gonna make sure I get my holes in here correctly. I probably just do it like this. I'm not like measuring super great, so I'm just gonna say in that general vicinity, and let's just mark this background and see where we come out. Okay, so that's not right. I need it like way up here. So like right here. It might be better to measure this. Okay, so that would probably work. You know what? What if we do it closer to the top? Just because, like if I mark right here, is it the top? Yeah, okay, that's probably close enough. That top mark, we'll do that. And then that looks like a, does that look like a spider to you? Oh, you guys probably can't see that. It's right there. I'm not a fan of spiders. Okay, anyway, so then we know because of this that separates the speakers. So let's just say right here. If you can see that mark right there. So we're gonna do a big hole here and a big hole here. Okay, so I took the stereo out, obviously, because I don't want to drill into the back of it. And there's a lot of cords. So I might actually do 2 spots here, maybe. We'll see. It just kind of depends. Like one, I think, you all right, bud? The one that's on this side is for the actual plug-in, which our outlet is right there. So it might work better to have a hole here for that. And then that one can be for the speakers, maybe, because those screws are over there. We'll see. Okay, so I'm going to start drilling here. I really should probably have someone else helping me, which Joseph is just getting home, so maybe I will have him help me. There you go. Okay, so one down.
Just anywhere on this line.
Yeah. Maybe just do those 2 for now.
Just these 2?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on, Bubba.
And then the
Hold
speaker
on. I
one.
gotta go around to this side now. I'll be right back.
There you go.
Oh, shoot. That's not what I wanted to do.
That's okay. Okay, so Joseph. Oops, I don't even know if you saw that. Joseph got that hole drilled, so I'm vacuuming that stuff up. I'm gonna fish the wires through here and hook up the speakers. So Joseph's gone again. I did fish these speaker wires through the holes back here, so I'll definitely get those set up. I ended up only needing holes for the speaker wires and the plug, which is here, but the plug is pretty big, so we're just gonna have to either cut out a square piece, or I'm not sure what we're gonna do here yet. So I might just have to fish the plug in around here for now. So that's why I didn't cut a hole here or here, but I have these 2 here, and then we have one down here that the cords will go, or the speaker wires will go into. Stupid me, I forgot to take the speakers out, but good thing is the speakers like end here and end there, so there's nothing in that middle space, so this should be pretty easy. The hardest part though was getting these through here with only one person, because if Joseph would have been here, he would have held the stereo maybe, or I would have, and then we could have fished these, but I had to kind of do both, so, but glad I got it done that way. So I had such a tangle of these around by the stereo, but I got it untangled, got them fished through. And shout out to my electronic genius dad for when he first hooked this up when I first got it. He made such long cords for the speakers, and I'm so thankful for that, because I didn't even think about that issue. I think what I'm going to do now is turn it back around on the wall so that it's a little easier for me to pull the speakers out. Okay, so I got the speakers hooked up, and of course my goofy old extension cord here, which I'm gonna have to fix because we can't have that with the kids around, but let's see if it works. So it turns on. Oh, it works! Praise God. I just need to vacuum up now. Woohoo! Alright guys, that is all for us right now. Thanks for joining us once again on 1000 Generation Farms, and we will see you next time.